Hi everybody, it's Wes from Palm Harbor again. Today I'm going to show you one of our houses that's on sale. Okay, this is the beautiful Arlington 48. As you can see, nice cozy living room here. Entertainment center is built in and ready to go. Take you over to a couple of the bedrooms first, then I'll take you to the master. So we got beautiful bedrooms, spacious, very spacious bedroom. Very spacious closet. Very spacious. You even got a wraparound in there. Come on. Imagine how many clothes you could put in there. Go over to the second bedroom. Again, very spacious. Very spacious. Very spacious closet. All right, now we're going to travel over to the kitchen area. The kitchen is very modern, has one of those looks that just can't be denied. So here's our kitchen area. All right. You got beautiful appliances. Got the double door refrigerator here. Nice stove. Dishwasher. And what is it not to like about this beautiful farmhouse sink? Now I'm gonna walk you over to one of my favorite parts of this house. It would definitely be the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So here we are standing in this beautiful master bedroom. Beautiful master bedroom. Again, like the rest of the house, it has very spacious closets. So we're going back into those spacious closets again. 100% wraparound closet. And you got real live wooden poles, not the little plastic flimsies. All right, now I'm gonna take you over to the master bathroom, which is the ultimate relaxation spot. You have the beautiful shower behind the door here. Walk-in shower with the walk-in door here. Okay. You got beautiful his and her sinks. Beautiful. And what better way to wind down than a tub like this here? Nice tub. Now, if you want to come tour this home, come down and see me at Palm Harbor Homes in Bryan, Texas. 2901 State Highway 21 East, across from McDonald's. Look for the big yellow house. You'll see me, and I'll be here saving you money.